Hey there everyone, this is Harshit Seksaria and welcome to a new series called Programming in Python. In this series, we're gonna learn Python and this is the first part, and in this video, we're gonna only download and install Python in our computer and do some basic stuff. So before we get started, I think that you should subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you can receive notifications for all our future videos. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So let's begin with downloading Python. So open your browser and type download Python. There we go. Now open this link called www.python.org downloads and then hit on this button called download Python 3.6.5. okay, it's downloading, but in my case I already downloaded this, so I'm gonna open my downloads folder. And in here there is something called Python, and double click this, run. Okay, so in here make sure that you tick this thing also called the add Python 3.6 to path. It's super important, and then hit on this install now. Yes, and it will be downloaded in a couple of minutes. Okay, now our Python is successfully installed in a computer. Now we can just open something called IDLE. It's along with Python will get installed. Open it, IDLE. So this is the interpreter for Python programming language. So let's understand what is interpreter. There are two things that run our program, which we programmed in any programming language. First is called interpreter and another is called compiler. Interpreter is that tool that compiles our program line by line, that if we wrote this line, then it will firstly compile this, and compiler is that tool that compiles whole program at once. So this is the interpreter for Python. So if we type any command here, it will compile that and show us the output. It not wait for us to enter another line, it just shows us the output because it's interpreter. So we're gonna move to compiler too, but for now let's talk about this interpreter and program in this. So if you want to print anything on the screen, or you can say that if you want to show anything on the screen, you can see here what I had done here. So you can type here print, then a pair of parentheses, then a pair of quotes. You can use double quotes or either single quotes, it doesn't matter. So you can type in here whatever you want to print on the screen. So let's type John and hit enter, and you will see that John is been printed on the screen. So this is how you can print anything on the screen using print command. Now print command is also can be used for doing arithmetical operations like 2 plus 5, and if we hit enter, then you can see that 7 is printed on the screen. Or you can do multiplication too, like 26 multiplied by 2, and you can see that 52 has been printed on the screen. So in this way you can use this print command to show anything on the screen, or you can say to print anything on the screen. We're gonna learn about these mathematical operator in the later videos, but now we are only talking about the basics, very basics of Python. So this is how we can use interpreter of Python, like so. If you want to print exactly what you are mentioning here, then you have to put a pair of any code, either single or double, and you can type in that, so it will print exactly what you have mentioned here. But if you want to do some operations, then you don't have to type these. You can just simply type your command directly like so. Okay, so this is how we can use interpreter of Python. And if we want the compiler, then open any of your text editor, and then you can type here like print John so, and you can print another line also like hello world, this is Python. So then you can print this, but before executing this you have to firstly save it in any folder, demo.py. Including this .py is super important because this is the extension for Python. It will tell the computer that we are making a Python file. Save it and then open your command prompt. You can just type in here command and it will just pop up, and you can also start it by pressing the Windows key plus R and then typing in cmd. There we go. This is our command prompt. Navigate to the file where this is saved. In my case it's in G drive. Okay, in G drive, and you can see all the contents of G drive by pressing dir. So you can see it's here, demo.py. Now we can execute this by pressing Python, then the name of the file you want to execute. In our case it's demo.py. You have to include this also, and you're gonna see hello world, this is Python John so, what we mentioned here. Okay, so this is the very basics of Python programming language, and in later videos we're gonna explore the arithmetical operations, variables, and lot more in Python programming language. That's it for this video. If you like my video, give me a big thumbs up and share my video. So that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will surely catch you up in the next one.